Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to build a jungle treehouse of your liking. So I'm not going to be giving you any list of materials that you need because it's going to be your treehouse. You build it however you want. I'm just going to show you the basics on what to do for the treehouse. So firstly, you'll have to make sure that you're in a jungle biome. Now once you're in a jungle biome, choose your type of tree. Now this tree has a lot of vines, so we chose this tree just because of that reason. And then just make sure you have a hole and a way to get in after you open up the trapdoors. So you want something like this. And then after that's done, you just want to fill out the outside. Now we're in creative mode to make it easier. And yeah, we want to me personally, I want to use these trees as a part of the house, and hence I'm just gonna use that to block off the surroundings. Since it's gonna be a tree house, I want to make sure it's completely filled with leaves and jungle wood. Now you obviously can make it however you want, but I'm just choosing my own ways. So that's done. I want a plane of glass maybe for here. So we're just gonna go to inventory. We're just gonna go here, get ourselves some nice old windows. Now you can make the house as tall as you want. I'm just gonna stick it to this one level. I don't want to make it larger than what it needs to be, and I just want to fill in some more glasses because it's a tree house. It should have quite a bit of glasses. I just put that there, put this there, and yeah. Alright. And honestly, rest is just history. Now I can decorate however I want, but the most crucial part to your treehouse would be on how to get in and out. So make sure you follow a similar design to this. That's literally the only fundamental. After that, you can build your house however you want. This is how I want to design it. You can design it however you want. That's about it. So I hope you found this a short tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.